More music on trendybeats.com.
I feel like I go meet my lover tonight. I dey get the feeling. If love knock on my door, if love knock on my door tonight, I will say love is my medicine. Love is my medicine. Love is my medicine.
Thankful to the parents and to the loved ones around you. So we are here to present these items to you. So when the students are here, to benefit them maybe one way or the other. So we're very grateful to be here today just to make this donation to the school. And thank you very much.
I think you heard what your CEO said. Eh? You have to be grateful for all that you do. Like you are not special. You don't have to perform it. Okay? Prayer to you have to learn to make your parents proud. Okay? And you have to do what? Learn. Okay? And make your parents proud. That's what I'm saying.
This is just the beginning. This is going to be, we have a lot of kids in school there. We didn't bring all the children because we thought it's wise that to bring the grown-ups a little bit to see themselves and to even witness that I've been in this school, and one day when God make it possible for me to be in the highest position, I can come back and visit and provide something to their needs. So it's not to bring them here to come and see things, to also to think and to be grateful and to be really appreciative.
It's good to imbibe in them the culture of giving. Yes, it's very good. So students, we have Moses.